Good morning, everybody. Well, it's Sunday, October 22nd. October 22nd, and we just got through finishing breakfast, and we headed off to Devil's Lake State Park, where we're going to hike 10 miles today in the rain. It's unbelievably gloomy and rainy, and look at that's not good. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of rainy outside and very gloomy, but we've got our ponchos on. I got to put mine back on, and we're gonna try to tackle this 10-mile hike today. But I stopped in because I wanted you to see the entrance of this park, Devil's Lake State Park, and right outside of Baraboo, so you can see the unbelievable colors of fall that are going on right now. And I'll turn the camera around so you can see as I'm driving into the park how it looks. Okay, there it goes. This is the entrance, of course. Look at this, it's bright gold. All the leaves are golden right now. Okay, well, we're on the trail at Devil's Lake. Here's the lake, and these are the mountains we're going to be climbing. Well, I mean, they're very tall hills, but still, they're really good climbs. And everybody's wide-eyed and bushy-tailed and moving out. But it's going to be a hike that we're going to relax, not be racing, not kill ourselves. I mean, this is a 10-miler after yesterday's 10-miler, and we want to make sure that we don't go home with really sore muscles or any kind of injuries. So look at the beautiful colors of this place. That's what hiking is all about, you know, is reconnecting with nature, reconnecting with what's real. You know, we live our lives in a really fast-paced manner with a lot of high technology that we never are able to disconnect, but we have to enjoy the real world before something happens in your life where you won't be able to enjoy all of this. And so that's why we do it, to reconnect with nature and enjoy and disconnect. So if you can look, I don't know if the video catches it, but there's some really big granite rock slides, a rock slide, and pretty much covered the top of the mountain there. and it just slid down right into the lake. And where the rocks went into the lake, after they got wet, after so many years, the rocks became like brown. Pretty nice. But the ones up on top are green. It's a real nice area. Makes for a real good video too. You can see some campfires up there. People have got their fires going already. So we started climbing the mountains, and you can see this mountain's got some granite stairs made out of nature. And the colors are unbelievable. Very beautiful place. A lot of leaves are turning golden, red, but you still have some that are beautifully green, like this fern here. Very nice. So far so good. We're climbing this mountain. It seems like a mountain because we're climbing it, but it's just a tall hill. And there's a roadway down there for people that are coming into the park. So let me catch up with my group, and I'll record a little bit more in a little bit. Tell you what though, you need your poles, trekking poles, and well, we came up a pretty good portion of the hill already, so you can see how high I am. That's the lake down there, and here comes Estella. This is just like a granite rock outcrop that just overlooks the lake. It's real nice. Honey, you want to take a selfie over here?
Yeah. Oh, I can reach over there. Oh.
Just be careful, it might be slippery.
That's beautiful. That's so beautiful.
How are you feeling?
Oh, a little exhausted, but it's really pretty. Oh.
Yeah, it's too bad that the camera won't be able to catch the spectacular beauty of this place, but hopefully with the HD TVs you'll be able to pick it up. But unbelievable, it's like we're walking in heaven.
Miles per hour, baby, is how fast they perfection.
One thing we can say about today, it's not too crowded.
No.
We got the whole place to
Yeah, because
ourselves.
otherwise this would be one of their busier weekends.
Although it's never, not enough people hike. Yeah, and you actually get out.
Look at how bright red these leaves are.
But here, we've been here when it was like passing.
Especially at this time of the year.
They almost look like blood leaves. They're so red. But beautiful change of color. See the outcrop, the rocky outcrop? These are gigantic pieces of granite that are just ready to slide off the mountain.
You get to about 200-300 yards to the top. There's people everywhere because they come, just the tourists, and they hike down for 10
Now,
minutes.
could you take a piece of this granite and go make a granite countertop? Yeah, it's granite. So, I mean, you'll have to cut it down and polish it, but definitely it'll work.
Oh, is that?
Devil's Lake, Wisconsin, Baraboo, Wisconsin. Earlier we saw an eagle. It definitely looked like an eagle to me, flying around, getting ready to land on a tree down there. And they do have eagles around here. So, say hi, honey. Yeah, so. Oh, these are pigeons. Look at. Maybe it was a pigeon and not an eagle. The good pigeons.
He died. His daughter superseded. She said, I don't live anywhere in the Midwest. I just died.
I wake up to the city of angels to see my name headline the coast. They say I'm a walking dreamer, baby. If I stopped, it would make the show. Can't keep up with my rhythm, though. They keep trying, too quick for the lines they throw. I walk to the sound of my own drum. It goes, they go, we go. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, here we go. Feel it in my soul. Really need it so good. Gotta beat it. All it takes control. Really need it. Hey, here we go. Feel it in my soul. Really need it so good. Gotta beat it. All it takes control. Really need it. Here we go. Feel it in my soul. Really need it so good. Gotta beat it. All it takes control. Really need it. Oh, here we go. Feel it in my soul. Really need it so good. Gotta beat it. All it takes control. Really need it.
You gotta put some space between you. Use your pulse, babe. Go on a traverse. Sideways. Steep, steep walk down. So easy to slide with these leaves. So that's why everybody's taking their time about coming down, because the leaves make it slippery, and then the trail is wet, which makes it even more treacherous. Treacherous alley. Did you slip?
Yeah, after you told me.
So it was my fault?
Yeah. Imagine here in the wintertime,
Mm-hmm.
you have to wear those, what do you call those shoes?
Crampons.
Crampons. You have to wear crampons.
Micro spikes.
Yep. Crampons.
Ba-dum-bum. Amazing.
It would be nice if it was a bright sunny day. Those leaves would show up much better. I apologize.
It's your fault.
It's my fault that the sun's not out.
Where we will be going is up on trails built by the CCC from the depression.
The color of these leaves are unbelievable.
Yes,
Yes.
aren't they?
Very pretty.
I was going back home and watched the leaves barely changed.
It's like somebody went around and painted them. This is Devil's Lake. 1 foot swells. We started from back over there, and then we went up the mountain, came all the way around and came down. Looks like there's some private houses over there.
Practicing all your gear for
Yeah.
the Pacific Coast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a camcorder designed to fit on the pole?
You could put it on this handle, and the handle floats.
Yeah.
Or this is the beach at Devil's Lake. You can rent kayaks and little boats, paddle boats, go all over the lake. Really nice. They got a big barbecue area back here. A lot of space. And if you're into hiking, you can come back over here in this area and then climb that hill and then go all the way around and then come back on the other side, and then there's a trail that brings you back around here just above that water line, and it'll bring you back here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back in the corner here and start climbing this hill, come back all the way around, and then we'll end up over there on the other side of the lake, and then call it a day. We're about real close to 5 miles at this point, 4 miles, and that should take us up to right near 10 miles for the day, because it's gonna be about 3 miles up on the top. So a single kayak is $15. Closed for now for the summer, but in the summertime this place is hopping. Just there's so much to see and do here. And then Wisconsin Dells is like about 5 to 7 minutes north of here, and then you're in the Dells area, and that's got millions of things to do over there. It's just too much. Volleyball nets over here too.
behind it and around it and on top of it.
This is a big granite rock slide that luckily we won't be climbing up. You kidding me? I'll break my leg on that thing. Break my neck. But that's a huge granite rock slide.
You bring your wife and sweetheart here during the summertime
Yeah.
and the dogs. You walk over here and it's like natural air conditioning down below here.
Oh, really?
Some of these low areas, it's incredible. The cold air that comes out through the rocks here, it's magnificent. It really is.
I wouldn't want to be under that when there's a rock fall.
Yeah.
Oh no. You would hurt. Thinking about the glacier,
Oh
mile-high glacier, to put that there.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Serious boulder and rock and grinding. The noise alone got to be incredible.
Oh yeah. You think how many millions of years old in there?
Oh God, yeah. Long time ago.
Look at the golden leaves. We're walking in gold. Amazing. We're starting to climb up little by little. We're ascending, and my legs are feeling it. But, oh my God, look at this granite rock slide. I'm telling you, if this thing were to go down, start moving down again, I'd be in big trouble. Look at this. I'm looking straight up this rock slide. Look at this. Amazing. It's a heck of a rock slide. If it started moving again, I'd be done for. We'd be done for.
I mean, I won't say the guys can adjust it, but that's quite right.
Every one of those boulders are at least 2 tons or 3 tons. Some of them even more. Look at that big one right there. That's a huge boulder.
Family stay up for Christmas. Actually, my wife and I are telling everybody you're on your own. We're going to San Antonio for 5 days. Right on the river walk. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, start running if you see it moving.
Yeah.
So, the hiker club that we're with, this group of people, they're like my age, in our mid-50s, and they're all working professionals. We got like 2 70-year-olds that are retired, and we have one 79-year-old that has been hiking all his life. I'm telling you, he's leading right now. He's way up in the front, and he's like the Energizer Bunny. Dude is made of titanium. And he stopped hiking a couple years back and just felt like his world was starting to crumble, he said. And his health started failing. So he decided to get back out on the trail. And then his health came back. And he's feeling much better now. He's hiking like a beast. So, I mean, that's a good lesson for us all. Let's not stay on the couch and become a couch potato. You gotta get out, get some exercise, and look at this beauty. Check it out, man. Gotta get out. Gotta get out and be one with the force. Let the force guide you. No, but seriously, You gotta get out and do some exercise. Exercise your heart and your lungs, your legs. And hopefully we'll all live a long and prosperous life in good health. Anyway, I'll sign off for now. Enough preaching, but I'm just inspired by this beauty. It's starting to rain, and I don't know if you can hear the rain coming through the leaves and the trees. I'll stop. Hopefully you can hear the rain. Okay, well, talk to you in a bit. Well, here we are climbing the granite rock slide. And it's a little strenuous, but definitely doable. There's more of the rock slide there. It's important to use your trekking poles when you're doing this. So what you do is you set your pole and you pull yourself up like this. Kind of like if somebody's handing you or giving you a hand. And because it's strenuous, you got to be taking deep breaths. Because if you don't, then you get fatigued and then you make mistakes. So you don't want to be fatigued when you're doing this. Look at that rock slide. Oh my God. That's Estella over there in the white poncho. Oh. There's the animals in all these little nook and crannies. Inside of these nook and crannies of the rocks. That's where they go and burrow. Yeah. Is that somebody
we're
new?
actually climbing this boulder.
Oh yes. We're going up. They have no elevator.
How much further we go?
Looks probably like another 200 feet.
Can you put this back to me?
Yeah. Here, I'll do it. Let me get down.
For sure, use your hands on the side. You want to go next one?
Go ahead.
This is what we're looking at here. Who invented this thing?
What color? I've not seen color like this for. I come up every year in October. I've been doing it for about 40 years.
Wow.
I don't think I've seen color like this in the last maybe 6 or 7.
Amazing.
Because it doesn't last long. You can come here next week and it'll be all gone.
Wow, this is awesome.
That's something.
It almost looks like I'm in Michigan.
Yeah. Well, we're just on the other side of the river.
Yep.
I mean, the lake.
The lake.
Okay, see if I can get a picture of this.
Yeah, we thought we saw an eagle, but it ended up being a pigeon.
Oh, really? Well, they're out here though.
Yeah, I know.
Hawks. If the sun were out and the sky were bright blue,
The
it's a
colors
little
would be
better, but
vivid.
This is pretty good too.
Yeah,
crop
that one of these giant boulders is just balanced. It's just balanced on the edge. It's been there probably for thousands of years, just sitting there balanced. So they call it balanced rock. And we're gonna go take a look at it.
Wait, we have to go up. This is a road up here?
Yeah.
Wait, where's the road? Is this your road? Or is that the road?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. So these stairs were put together by one of the WPA programs from the 1930s. From the 1930s. And they had a bunch of people out here, including the Boy Scouts, including the YMCA, helping build this for the national parks. That's why you have steps or stairs to get up here.
Whoa.
Yeah, unbelievable. Let me take a look up here. Oh yeah, I see it.
Where?
This is the Wisconsin River. There's a ferry you can take across that. Actually. There's a highway that crosses the river on the ferry. But I wouldn't take it on a Sunday afternoon.
This is amazing.
Because of the crowds?
Yeah, particularly you're not a motorcyclist, are you?
No.
Okay, particularly the people with the big Harleys. That's one downside about Wisconsin.
A lot of motorcyclists.
Yeah,
A lot of Harleys.
world headquarters of Harley.
That's right, yes, and they take it very seriously. And
Yeah.
I had a near altercation with a group of them. Got a check. And then we got down to, well, who's your insurance company? And I didn't want to share that with him because I was going to be, but I had to say Harley Patrolman out there. But he didn't issue any citations, he just put down that, there's no way to tell who he called. And I never heard from their insurance company. I called mine right away and had them come out and take pictures of my car. You could see there was absolutely no sign of an impact on my car at any time. Even where I hadn't washed in a while, it was like a film of dirt. There's nothing even rubbed up against it.
Down there is the beach that we walked through. We came around the beach and then through that picnic area. We were down there and we had to come all the way around this way and then up the mountain where I'm at right now. But yeah, that's where we started from. Very nice. Great view. All right, back on the trail. Well, we're actually on the way home. We completed our hike and we are super tired. We actually got caught in rain and we're driving home in the rain. But just wanted to talk about the end of the hike. We came off the trail. We hit some really rocky areas and we kind of got off trail. Then we had to work to get back on trail, find a trail, get back on it. And we finally came off the mountain. It was raining, so I didn't want to take too much video in the rain over there, but it's all over. We're heading home. And if you get a chance to get to either Mirror Lake or to Devil's Lake in Wisconsin, you got to check it out. Both of those areas are really beautiful and great picnic areas, great for hiking, boating, fishing, you name it. And then they're so close to Wisconsin Dells that you can make it a weekend getaway to Wisconsin Dells and maybe even camp out there. So just wanted to close out our video with a little summary. And we actually didn't hike the 10 miles, it was more like around 8, I believe. And just because there was just so much climbing, and we didn't want to take a trail that was going to take us to 10 miles because we had to get back to the hotel where our 2 puppies were still staying at. And we had to pick them up and check out of the hotel, so we're kind of in a time pinch. Anyhow, so great areas, great hike, great weekend, great crowd with the hiking club. They are awesome people and very, very seasoned hikers. They can give you lessons about whatever that has to do with hiking. So big kudos to them. And we'll be catching them in maybe a couple of weeks to do another hike, possibly in Michigan. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. All right, bye.